Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and for this video I will bring you to the SJ Tower 1 here in Cebu Business Park. And this is a mixed development residential, and I am now in the residential lobby. I will tour you with this because I'm going to check the penthouse. We have 3 bedrooms at the penthouse, and this one is our concierge, and this one is the lobby area of this top is gate. And it looks like you are in a hotel lobby because this is one of the biggest lobby of the Top SG Tower 1. And on the other side is the commercial, and later on I will bring you there also to the commercial. And this is the main receiving main room and the concierge. I will bring you now to the 10th floor amenities. So if you are looking for a condo that is right inside the Cebu Business Park and it's beside the Lander Supermarket, Lander Cebu, I think this one is perfect because this one is the penthouse, 3-bedroom penthouse. This is located here in the Top East Gate, Tower 1 of the Top East Gate, and I would like to bring you here. And this is again Mark, and I would like to show you this penthouse, 3-bedroom penthouse, 177 square meters, 51.8 million pesos. And what the good thing with this penthouse is you have this wrap around balcony, and it's 360. You can see all the views around the Cebu City, including the Mactan Island. And another good thing with this penthouse is very high ceiling. So let's go inside this penthouse. We go inside. And on this floor level, we have this 3 bedrooms, and this is the first bedroom of the penthouse. And all of the bedrooms comes with this toilet and bathroom over here. And this is the main bedroom of the penthouse. And this is the toilet and bathroom of the penthouse, having this bathtub. And again, this is 177 square meters, and we are selling this one for 51.8 million at the contract price of this penthouse. And we are open for bank loan, and if you have that big money, big amount, 51.8 million, you can pay it spot cash because we are giving away 15% discount of the contract price. And I would like, as I said, the penthouse is really high ceiling. Look at the ceiling. And outside where we came from, I want to go back because I want to show you this one, because this is like the cave of the penthouse. This is your sky garden area, and outside there, you're not paying that because it's a common area. And later on, we will go around, wrap around with that area. And I would like to show you the next bedroom, this one. And this comes also with your bathtub, but this is the bedroom area of the penthouse. And as you can see, thick glass and thick. And later on, I will bring you to the amenities of this penthouse. And this is the bathroom of this bedroom, and really wide, really huge, and you have this area here. And I would like to bring you to the first level of this penthouse. So let's go. Later on, because this is the view is really the killer of this penthouse. So I will bring you to the wrap-around view later on once we finish the tour. And for this penthouse, we have 2 bedrooms, and I will show you on my other video. I will show you the bedrooms. And this one is the 3 bedrooms. And this is the 4 bedrooms. And this is the stairs going up. And this is your living area. That's the main door of the penthouse. This is the living area, the kitchen area, and the dining area. And on this floor level, you have this bathroom here. the common toilet and bathroom, because we have one here bedroom. And aside from your sky garden, you have also one balcony, and I will show you the balcony. And I will show you also the view of this balcony. And look at that. Look at the Cebu IT Park, Cebu Business Park, and below is the Landers. Below of this, Landers there. So yeah, this is a corner 3-bedroom penthouse of the Tapas Gate, and below of this balcony, you can see the amenities of Tapas Gate there. People are swimming and they don't know that we are taking video up here. Later on we will go there. And I would like to come here also because I would like to see what's below. Yeah. And again, this is the penthouse of the Tapas Gate project of the top properties here in the Cebu Business Park. And this is a corner penthouse, 177 square meters, and this is for sale for 51.8 million. If you are going to pay this for spot cash, like you have the huge money, you will pay it spot cash because you can save up to 15% discount. I really want this view because I want to point out some buildings of the IT park there. You can see the other penthouse that I visited. The other penthouse that I visited, which is one of the expensive, I think, it's the penthouse of 38th Avenue, and you can see the 38th Avenue from here, over there. It's one of the biggest penthouse here in Cebu. It's about 34 square meters, and it's for sale 445 million. And this one is 177 million, and you are inside the Cebu Business Park. Front of your building or your penthouse is the Landers Supermarket, and walking distance going to the Ayala Mall. So this is a bi-level penthouse. You have above is the wrap-around view of the building, and I will take you there later on after this. And yeah, we will go back, then I will take you to the wrap-around view of this penthouse level. And let's go upstairs and I will show you the wrap-around video. And this one, I forgot to show you this one because this is provision for your laundry, washing machine, and dryer. So it's there to use. Let's go back to the second. This is the main bedroom, the main door of the bedroom. Let's go back, and then I will show you the wrap-around view of the building. Yeah. So I will show you that around. It's okay to pack.
This is the kids play area.
we are now on the basement 1 parking of the Tapas Gate. This basement here is free parking because this is connecting to the commercial. So I just want to show you a sneak peek of the parking. Because we have other basements, and the other basement is for the residential, other is for sale. This one is not for sale. Thank you. Bye bye.